Hello, welcome back to Glazing with AMACO. This is part 2 of glazing with charcoal celadon and cosmic tea dust. Charcoal celadon, cosmic tea dust. Here is my sample pot. So you can see how the cosmic tea dust just on the outside band makes this nice sparkle. So I have 2 coats of charcoal on this, and I can clean up the foot while I'm doing this, just to make sure I don't have anything on the foot. Nope, that one's clean. And this one has a little bit. And there we go. So, my cosmic tea dust. Now the thing you'll notice about cosmic tea dust is that even the glaze before it's fired is pretty sparkly. It's kind of like working with glitter, so you have to be really careful about the brushes that you use and what the glaze gets on, because it will get little sparkly glitter bits in everything if you're not cleaning your brushes really well. Which maybe you like that. Maybe you want to have little sparkly bits in all of your glazes. I like to have really clean brushes so that I don't contaminate things, so I know exactly what a piece is glazed with and I can replicate it. So I'm just making a band right over the textured area, and that's it. Super easy, right? So that's my first coat of the cosmic tea dust. And as usual, I reload my brush often. You may notice that cosmic tea dust is a very thin glaze. That is pretty normal. It really doesn't do a thick thing. It's really pretty thin. And you have to be a little careful about that, because when you're applying it, it can run. But that is just the way the glaze is meant to do, and as with all of our glazes, it is meant to be applied at 3 coats, and so 3 coats, even as thin as it is how it is meant to be applied. So there we go. 1 coat down. So when this is fired, and this can be fired to cone 6 or cone 5, it will look pretty much the same regardless of what temperature you fire it at. The cosmic tea dust might move down a little bit more at cone 6 than at cone 5. It might break a little bit more at cone 6 than at cone 5, but the colors aren't going to shift, and it's not going to run exceptionally. Cosmic tea dust doesn't move a lot. So there's my first coat, and when that's dry, I'll put a second coat on there. As I said before, the celadons, one of the things that I really love about them is that they're really sturdy and they don't move. You can take them right down to the foot, so they're a great base glaze for other kinds of effects, like the cosmic tea dust. So you can use the cosmic tea dust on a lighter color glaze, on a lighter color celadon. It's still not dry enough. You can use the cosmic tea dust on a lighter color celadon, but keep in mind that cosmic tea dust has an undertone that is somewhere between a brown and a gray, and so if you use it on top of a light colored glaze, it's not just going to be sparkly, it's actually going to be kind of brownish. And if that's what you're looking for, that's great. But if that's not what you're trying to get, it could be kind of a surprise. You can check out more combinations both on the PC page on our website. That would be go to AMACO.com, and under glazes, go to Potter's Choice, which is under the high fire. You can also find lots of things on our layering page. So if you go to AMACO.com, at the top of the page there are drop-down menus. Go to Resources, and you will see one tab that says Layering. click on layering, and you can find all of the cosmic tea dust over different glazes, including the celadons, and you can see what kind of effects it gives. So it will give that kind of sparkle. This is going to take a little while to dry, so I'm going to let you all go. Have a great day, have a great week, and I will see you again next week with another glazing combo. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will answer them offline. I'm going to let these dry, bring another coat on them a little bit later today when the glaze has a chance to set up a little bit more, because if I try to put glaze on at this point, I'm just going to be wiping more glaze off. It's just aggravating. So, have a great day, have a great week. We'll see you next week. Thanks.